previously traded, unfortunately unsuccessfully, so that's why I've come to learn to trade, because their trading system is very structured, so it almost guarantees you not to fail. There's, they've got so many fail-safe, protocols in there, the risk management, everything is built in. It's very hard for you not to put a trade on that's not going to be successful, and along with the trading, the training that you get here, it just put it all together, and it's an awesome package. Last year, went through a whole heap of trades and had a lot of very good successful trades, and then I had a lot of very bad trades. Pretty much for every good trade I had a bad trade, and it's the risk management is the main reason that I've come here, just to manage that. I've seen the benefits of Forex trading and what can be achieved, and the large sums of money that you can achieve in a very short period of time. But yeah, eventually I want to sort of make myself financially free, so that I can pretty much open my computer and work from anywhere in the globe, travel, and not be set to a regime that dictates that I have to stay in one place. When you get good at it, it's an hour a day, maybe two.